just about that time.
Look at this.
Perfect.
Oh my god.
This is one of my buddies. He's not even big. He's just lean.
They gonna kick his ass out if he make too much money. He's making more money there than he did here?
Hell yeah!